You tweaked the prompt. It looked better. You shipped it, and suddenly users are complaining. What happened? You relied on a vibe check instead of a real evaluation. So, what is AI evaluation? It's just a structured way to score your system's performance. It answers one simple question. Is this update actually better, or did we just break 5 things to fix one? It's the difference between guessing and engineering. First things first, let's talk about benchmarks versus custom evaluations. Many people get obsessed with public benchmarks like MMLU. These are great for testing a model's general knowledge, like a massive trivia contest. But here's the catch. A model can ace a math test and still completely fail at handling your specific customer support tickets. This is why you need custom evaluations, tests built from your own data, reflecting what your users actually do, including all those weird edge cases. So how do you actually score your model's outputs? There are 3 main ways. First, code-based metrics. These are simple, automated checks. Is the output valid JSON? Is the response under 50 words? Quick and easy. Second, model-based evaluations, also known as LLM as a judge. This is where you use a more powerful model like GPT-4 to grade the answers from your model. It's like having a senior expert review a junior's work. Third, human review. This is the gold standard, the ultimate source of truth. It's slow and expensive, but it's crucial for auditing your automated systems and making sure they're on track. To get started, you need to build what's called a golden dataset. Don't be intimidated. Just gather 50 to 100 high-quality examples. These should be real inputs paired with the ideal, perfect outputs. Make sure to include the easy stuff, some tricky edge cases, and even a few adversarial attempts where users try to break your system. This dataset becomes your quality control checklist, your regression test. What should you measure with this dataset? A few key things. Accuracy. Did it get the answer right? Hallucination rate. How often did it invent facts? Tone. Is it sounding too robotic or maybe too casual for your brand? And refusal rate. Is it mistakenly refusing to answer safe and valid prompts? Put it all together and you get a powerful workflow. You change the prompt, run the evaluation against your golden dataset, and check the score. If the score goes up, great. If it drops, don't ship it. This simple loop is how you move from relying on gut feelings to making informed, data-driven decisions. Stop guessing and start measuring. Believe me, your users will definitely notice the difference. If this video helped you understand AI evaluation, please like the video and subscribe to the AI Buzz channel. It really helps us grow and create more content like this. Thanks for watching.